Alright, this is a Honda Pilot 2009. One of the problems that I had is I had a cylinder misfire. My son had a computer that showed that that's what it was, so I brought it to Honda. Honda said, hey, you're either going to have to rebuild your pistons for a cost of about $4,000 or put in a new engine, which is going to run somewhere around $8,200, $8,300. Instead, with 167,000 miles, I looked on some forums and said, hey, I'm just going to replace the dang spark plugs. Try to save myself some money. Honda Pilot 2009, cylinder 2 misfire, and we decided to go ahead and replace the plugs. So I'm going to give you an update, but we did go ahead and replace those. I'm going to show you the tools that we use. It took us about 40 minutes. Anybody can do it. I mean, if my son can do it, he's a much better mechanic than I am. But I helped. It's not that hard. It just takes a little patience. So let's go look at the spark plugs. So there's already a video and the guy shows you how to replace the spark plugs and what to do. These are all the tools that you need. The right socket, which is, what socket is this out? It's a 5/8, extension, a swivel, and a ratchet. And then a smaller ratchet with a, what is this one out? With a 10 millimeter on there to take off the nuts that hold the coil onto the spark plug. That's all you need. Now I'm showing the spark plugs. So this is what the spark plugs look like when we took them out. They've never been taken out of the vehicle. But this is the one. This is the one that was fouled. So if you compare it against another one, you can see the difference. This is not an uncommon problem on Hondas. The problem is yours is not under the warranty. If it's not under the warranty, because there's a settlement that said 8 years from the date of purchase, it's covered. If you fall out of warranty, just replace the spark plugs. If it's within warranty, they'll do the work for you. But I'm going to have another video after 167 miles, we just did it. And I'm going to video again and tell you how long before we had to replace this plug again because we got another misfire. So anyway, I hope it saves you some money because the Pilot's just perfect. There's no reason why I can't drive that for another 50 or 60,000 miles. Nothing wrong with the engine, nothing wrong with the Pilot itself, except for the seepage of the piston with the little oil that fouled up this plug. So I'll send another video, let you know when the engine light comes back on. Thank you.